Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending December 9th, the major indexes were lower for the week, with the S&P index declining 6 out of the prior 7 sessions as rate hikes and inflation concerns persist. The ISM Services PMI index surprised on the upside, up 56.5 from 54.4 in October, indicating that the service side of the economy improved considerably in November. The U.S. trade in goods and services deficit increased to $78.2 billion in October, up $4 billion compared to September. Exports were $256.6 billion, while imports were $334.8 billion. Initial jobless claims remained relatively flat during the week ending December 3rd, indicating that the U.S. labor market is still very strong and there are no signs of a slowdown. The producer price index for final demand increased by a more than 0.3%, mostly due to an increase in services. And consumer sentiment increased to 59.1 in December compared to a November reading of 56.8. Year to date, the Dow is down 7.9%, the S&P down 17.5%, and the Nasdaq is down 29.7%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.59%. The yield on the 2-year bond is 4.33%. Oil closed at $71.48 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,796.80 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.56 an ounce. For this week of December 12th, Monday we'll get the New York Fed 1- and 5-year inflation expectations. Tuesday, the Small Business Index, the Consumer Price Index or CPI, and Core CPI will be reported. CPI measures the monthly change in prices paid by consumers for goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Wednesday, we'll get the Import Price Index, the Fed funds rate announcement, along with Fed Chairman Powell's news conference. Thursday, initial jobless claims, retail sales, the Empire State and the Philadelphia Manufacturing Indexes, the Industrial Production Index, capacity utilization rate, and business inventories all will be reported. And on Friday, the U.S. Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI will be reported. PMI, or the Purchasing Managers Index, is an indicator of the economic health of the manufacturing and service sectors. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.